Ever wondered why your hair looks frizzy and unmanageable even after countless treatments? It's a common plight, isn't it? Hair problems like frizz, dryness, and damage can seem relentless, and there's no one-size-fits-all solution. Why? Because your hair's health is impacted by so many factors: the weather, your diet, even your daily hair care routine. But what if we told you there's a protein, called keratin, that could be a game-changer for your hair woes? That's right. But fear not, a solution is at hand, and it's something you can do yourself at home: a DIY keratin treatment. So, what exactly is a DIY keratin treatment, and how can it help your hair? Well, let's start at the beginning. Keratin is a type of protein that's key to hair health, forming a protective shield around each hair shaft. It helps maintain the strength, elasticity, and shine of your tresses. Now, a keratin treatment is a way to replenish this vital protein in your hair. It works by infusing keratin into your hair's cuticle, the outermost layer, resulting in smoother, shinier, and less frizzy hair. Imagine each hair strand getting a shiny coat of armor, and you'll have a pretty good idea of what a keratin treatment does. As for the DIY part, it's just what it sounds like. You can do this treatment at home, using simple ingredients, and give your hair the care it deserves. And don't just take our word for it. A study from PubMed corroborates the benefits of keratin treatments, highlighting their role in enhancing hair health and appearance. And the best part is, you can whip up this treatment in your kitchen with ingredients you probably already have. Ready to give your hair the love it deserves? Here's how to create your own DIY keratin treatment. Let's start with the ingredients. You'll need 1 ripe avocado, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1/4 cup of coconut milk, and 1 tablespoon of organic honey. These natural ingredients are loaded with proteins, vitamins, and healthy fats that will nourish and strengthen your hair while providing the keratin boost it needs. Now, let's move to the preparation. Begin by pitting the avocado and scooping out the flesh into a blender. Add the olive oil, coconut milk, and honey. Blend the mixture until it's smooth and creamy, resembling a deep conditioner. Applying the treatment is the next step. Start by dampening your hair with water. Then, apply the mixture to your hair, making sure to coat each strand from root to tip. Once you've covered all your hair, put on a shower cap and let the treatment sit for about 45 minutes to an hour. After the waiting period, rinse your hair thoroughly with lukewarm water. Make sure to remove all the residue from your hair. Once rinsed, gently towel dry your hair, and then let it air dry. For the best results, try not to use heat styling tools immediately after the treatment. And there you have it, your very own DIY keratin treatment. It's that simple. Let's quickly recap the process for this DIY keratin treatment. We started by gathering our ingredients, then mixed them carefully in the right proportions. Next, we applied the mixture to our hair thoroughly, letting it work its magic. The beauty of this process lies in its simplicity and affordability. Now, you're all set to bid goodbye to frizzy hair and welcome smooth, shiny locks. Thank you for watching.